guys. Okay, so as you can see, I've already done my eyebrows because I want to save some time, you know. And I've already done one eye also to save some time. I don't know why the light is being so weird. I don't know why I look yellow. Do I look yellow? And sorry for the noise. That's more like drinking water. Okay, so let me go ahead and zoom you in so we can start on the other eye. Priming my eyelids, and for that I'm gonna use my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I love this thing. I'm not gonna set that. So for this eye look, we are going to use this palette by Wet n Wild. Now, I got this palette way before I got the Royals and the other palettes I got from Hush. What does this look like to you? Just tell me. What does this look like to you? This looks like the Royals palette, which we know it's a dupe for the Anastasia Modern Renaissance. Oh my god, this was $6 on Walgreens. This is another dupe, a drugstore dupe for the Modern Renaissance by Anastasia. Minus 4 colors, but who cares? I'm going to go in with this fluffy brush right here, and I'm gonna dip in my brush in this. There's two transition color in the palette, but I'm gonna go with this one, the one that's a little bit more warmer and the yellow undertone. So I'm gonna use that one. So this is gonna be my transition shade, and it's gonna help blend the other colors that we're gonna put in, blend it better and easily. Next, I'm gonna go in with a more dense brush, and I'm gonna go in with this orangey brick light color right here. Now I'm gonna go in with the same brush that we're using, and I'm gonna use this shade right here. I'm gonna go in with a pencil brush. This is by Essence of Beauty, and I'm gonna use this dark brown right over here. And with this, I'm just seriously going to do like a V shape type of thing on my outer V. I'm gonna go in with this flat brush right here. And I'm gonna use this shade right here. This is a matte. Now let me zoom you out so we can understand the face. For my foundation, I'm gonna use my favorite drugstore foundation at the moment, which is, I'm sure you guys already know. It is my Maybelline 24-Hour Foundation. And just in case you're interested, I'm in the shade 220 Natural Beige. Now to blend that in, I'm gonna go in with my favorite drugstore brush. A moment. Okay, now I'm going to highlight real quick, and for that I'm going to use NYX concealer. This is the HD Studio Photogenic concealer, and I got mine in CW1. I'm gonna blend that with my beauty blender. I'm going to use this Infallible concealer by L'Oreal, darker concealer that I'm just gonna use to contour my face with. Okay, so I'm going to set my entire face, and for that I'm going to use the Neutrogena Mineral Powder Foundation. For my under eyes, I'm going to use this NYX HD finishing powder, and this is in the shade Banana. I'm going to bring some color into my face. This is a big bronzer by Milani. It's so beautiful. Okay, now that we have the face almost done, I'm gonna go into the eyes again and finish that real quick. So I'm gonna go in first with this color right over here. Eyelashes, I'm going to be using this Ardell Foam Ink Lashes in number 817. And for eyeliner, I'm going to be using my L'Oreal. Anyways, I'll be right back. Okay, so now that I have my lashes on, okay, so I'm going to line my upper and lower rims of my eye with this NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the color Ice Mocha. Now I'm gonna go in with the mascara. Now this is a new mascara for me. This is the Total Temptation mascara from Maybelline. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with a black pencil, and this is by Jordana. I'm gonna use this shimmery champagne-ish color. One of my favorite blushes at the drugstore are the ones by Maybelline. This is in Pearlescent Pink. And as you can see, I really like this color because I get paint on it. And now I'm going to highlight my face, and I'm really excited about this product. The Master Chrome by Maybelline highlighter. Now this is in the color Molten Gold. I'm really excited to try this because I've heard so many good things about it. It looks really pretty. I'm gonna wet my brush with this rose water. We're gonna move into the lips. I'm going to use this lip liner by NYX. This is in Natural. After I line my lips with that, I'm gonna go in with this gloss by CoverGirl. Okay, so I changed my mind, and I'm going to use this lipstick by Milani in number 26. Okay, and lastly, to set it all off, I'm gonna use the same rose water.